Place the retention ring on the kettle and fasten with the 4 thumb screws. Install the butterfly valve on the kettle using a gasket and tri-clamp. Tighten to ensure a leak-free seal. Attach the quick disconnect fitting to the butterfly valve. Turn the kettle and install the brewing element into one of the rear lower ports. Attach the thermal well and insert the temperature probe. Twist the thumb screw to get a snug but not tight fit. Attach the second butterfly valve to the upper port of the brew kettle and attach a quick disconnect fitting to the valve. Attach a quick disconnect fitting to the pump input. And attach the ball valve to the pump output, followed by a quick disconnect fitting. Press the dip tube into the front port of the kettle. Insert the grain basket. Attach the 3-foot recirculation hose and barb assembly to the inside of the grain basket. Attach one of the 5-foot female quick disconnect fitting hose assemblies to the intake of the pump and the lower kettle port. The second quick disconnect hose assembly attaches to the discharge port of the pump and the grain basket. Add the lid.